Friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Mubarak coin, this and other newly launched BNB ecosystem meme coin and Binance listed meme coin. I will share you all further details here that is this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin because already listed in Binance. So videos be very special, very important. Have to just for the complete here. You can see friends, Mubarak is name $0.025 current price, 5% pump in last 24 hours. Okay, you can see $26.4 million market cap. This is current $78 million trading volume in last 24 hours. This is amazing, friends. Right now, all BNB ecosystem meme coins are trading volume increasing, just like Brookly, just like Comaino, Baby Dogecoin. It's all BNB chain meme coins trading volume is increasing now. This is good. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. You can see, friends, this is BNB chain meme coin. We are at 7% down in its all-time high. This is new meme coin launched in March, okay, previous month 2025. So this is good, just 1 month old only. 6 days ago was an all-time low, where from we are 21% up only. And friends, you can check out all details here that this coin is listed in Binance exchange. You can see, friends, Binance is still no listed many base meme coins. They have more than 3 to 400 million dollars market cap, just like Bread, just like Toshi, and many other meme coins. Sundog is still not on Binance, but this meme coin with only I think $26 million market cap and listed in Binance exchange. You can see, friends, Binance, Gate.io, KuCoin, HTX, MEXC, CoinW. Recently exchanges is already list this coin, and friends, BingX is also listed, arbitxt.com, and Ascending Bitmart has listed. Still Kraken, Coinbase listing are left for Mubarak coin, but already Mubarak is listed on many base central exchanges. So this is awesome, friends. You can see, friends, BNB chain great again, Mubarak takeover. You can check out all further details. Okay, CZ pick is also here because it's a meme coin, and Mubarak a meme coin to rich Middle Eastern culture. Okay, this is Middle East culture, and you can copy its official contract address on their website. These are its partners: Binance, Bybit, and many others. You can check out tokenomics also. You can see, friends, 1 billion coin supply, zero buying selling tax for this coin. LP is 100% burn. Okay, you can see some Dubai images also here, collection, some NFTs collection. And friends, no doubt this token is looking very amazing. You can join their community, okay, on Telegram, on the X, and you can check out all further details here. 21,000 holders for Mubarak coin within just 1 month of its launching. Okay, 21,000 holders. This is really amazing, friends. And Binance is the highest holders of this coin. 65%, okay, 65% token is on Binance exchange, because this is BNB ecosystem meme coin. Gate.io and Bitgate holding 5 and 4% of supply. You can see, friends, it's 2.2% supply is also burned. So this is good that it's 2.2% supply is burned. Gate.io and MEXC on other central exchanges holding 0.6 and 2% of supply. Some other Binance wallet here, you can see, friends, Binance Hot Wallet 7 is also holding 0.3% supply. But friends, you can see 65% tokens, 65% Mubarak coin is in Binance wallet. Okay, top 10 wallets holding more than 80% of its supply. Okay, but because this is Binance ecosystem meme coin, and BNB chain meme coin, and Binance himself holding 65% supply, so maybe few risks, but I think we have to believe on Binance also. You can see, friends, Camel developer means this coin developer has 0.2% of supply. Some other wallets, you can check out all further details here on there. BSC scan also. Friends, now my price prediction about Mubarak is that as his current market cap 26.4 million, but friends, this is meme coin that has potential to be the next $1 billion market cap. Maybe we can see its market cap around $5 billion here because BNB ecosystem meme coin, and within just 1 month of its launch, 21,000 holders for this coin and already listed on Binance. Most important thing about this meme coin is CZ himself also tweet about this meme coin that I'm Mubarak. That's why this coin was listed in Binance Exchange, and this is amazing that within just 1 month of its launching, Mubarak is listed in Binance and $26 million market. But friends, I think in this year's super cycle, meme coins mega balloon, Mubarak has potential to be the next $5 billion market coin. What's your price prediction about this coin? You can must comment down below. And friends, if you not join my Telegram channel yet, you can also join my Telegram channel for other cryptocurrencies updates here and my videos information. So link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel.